Park goat stud. Back on the farm, got a few things to do today. If you've been watching our videos, you'll have known from the last one we got a bit of bad news, and all our autumn kidders were not in kid. So we've racked our brains, we don't really know what's happened. We think potentially it's a seasonal thing because we haven't had a real sort of hot break. We had a very wet winter. I don't really know, but we used two separate bucks, so it shouldn't have been, if one buck wasn't performing, then we should have got some results from the other buck. But the fact we didn't get from either kind of, yeah, we're scratching our heads. We haven't done anything different. We joined at the same time last year, and we did, it wasn't great results, but we did get some. So yeah, dust ourselves off, get back into it. So we're gonna try the bucks for the first time through the flipper today. Yeah, we've got the goats temporarily in a paddock at the moment. So it's not really a paddock that we've set up for goats fence wise. So they were going pretty well, but recently they've sort of either found a hole or found a way out. And yeah, we want to try and keep them in there as much as possible. But yeah, shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, we'll see what happens and film whatever does. Alrighty, hope you enjoy. So we're going to get these guys in all their stinky glory.
You need smell cam.
You need smell cam. But yeah, you can see Paul's feet need a trim at the front or all over. Saul's are better. So got to rip this down up to that point, and then yeah, we'll do their feet, drench them, and they can come back in. There's still plenty of feed in there. This is one of the times I am wary of doing this. Paul's rutty, stinks, and is full of testosterone. And yeah, I'm holding a bucket of grain. But yeah, you just have to keep walking and hope for the best. Big boys on tour. It's a bit to get him in.
Yeah, but it wasn't as bad as I thought.
No, and it's the first time he's gone through.
Yeah.
But he can't stomp on my fingers here. And you can put it down. See where you're at for flatness.
Didn't react when you put him in?
He was pretty good. He sort of kicked a bit.
Yeah, I mean he's the worst for horn size.
Like yeah, getting his horns through, but they went through all in all.
Yeah.
Good.
And
But this seems to help. I reckon if you stay and up their heads.
yeah.
And I mean I get it. Like if their head was just hanging over, it wouldn't be very comfortable.
Yeah, I think what you're doing is the best thing you can do for them.
And they sort of know you're there as well. Like it's.
Well, you could make a little pad that's put
Yeah.
there. You know.
But I sort of think too, like it's having somebody touching them nearly
Yeah.
calms them a bit. Just fall, of course.
So you can see he's pretty happy. We can deal with his feet. Good times.
You don't need a lot of that.
No.
Maybe give him another 20 then.
This on it.
What she's doing then. Don't overdo it.
No. You're a big animal, aren't you?
Make your little grain thingy so he sees it and goes that way, not the other way. I'll get your little bucket. Come to a little bucket to put in.
Oh, he looks 10 times better. Alright. Well, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I stink. But we're done. So yeah, we'll get them back in the paddock and fix up the fence again. Paul was very cooperative. He's 4.5. He's sort of been around a bit. Saul was a pain in the backside. But we got it done. Isn't that right, honey? We get it done. Okay, so the boys are done and back in the paddock. We'll now get the girls up and give them a drench and then see if we can find out where they're escaping from the paddock. All right. So that is a fence that's not really doing its job. That's not what we are trying to achieve. So all of these are just pushing straight through here. Straight through. And yep, just to demonstrate. Thank you, yep. Good job. I think we've got our work cut out trying to keep him in this paddock. She's drinking. We just saw one of our young does drinking off the mum, and they've been separated by what, 6 weeks?
Oh my gosh.
I don't think there'd be any milk, but maybe it's just a comfort thing.
No, I think there's probably milk.
There's no milk in there.
There could be. That's a bit of a worry.
And yet more demonstrations. So there's definitely goat-proof fences, and everywhere else where we run hot wires we don't have issues, but these are old sort of cattle pens, and the fence is in a bit of disrepair, so they're just pushing right through. So we got free range goats. It's the latest thing. Well, that's probably one job less that we need to do today, because I don't think I'm going to be able to do anything about that.
Buddy. Come on.
Yoo-hoo. Come up. Up. What you doing? Come on, Faye.
Go, girls.
Up. Up, up. Up, up, up. Come on. Oh. Up, 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 up. Yo. Job done. Job done.
Hurry up. Up you go. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up. Come, sunshine. Up you go. Oh, sunshine. Hurry up. Train the bum bum.
Up we go. Up we go.
All right, girls. All right, all right. She's sitting on my toes. Okay. Not very comfortable, just sit. Nice. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Good girls.
Go.
Nice. So how are we going to do, maybe if I...
Get to the back and work up, I reckon.
What, leave them behind me sort of thing?
Yeah, like a Celtic. Go on, dog.
Walk on the back. My little Oreo. Didn't like that. Me.
Good. Yep. Come on, doggy.
Don't need to. My presence is enough.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't think I can fit. Did ya? Nice and slow. Let's go. Ah. And this is how we do it.
So now me and Dad are riding on the back of the ute and we're going to go down to the paddock and do some jobs. And now we're at the goats, nearly, maybe. It's very bumpy and slow. So, bye.
Alrighty, well that's it for another video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. It helps out. And yeah, we've got all the goatees back in the paddock. They've all been drenched and they've had a vitamin shot. So yeah, they're all fit and healthy and looking good. So we'll move on to the next thing. All right, well, enjoy and we'll see you next time.